Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear Islamic brother, I hope you will presently better. I am Muhammad Shahid Attari, student of University Jamiatul Madina, Mufti Azam Hind, Shahjahanpur, UP, class Khamisa Attari. My dear Islamic brother, Dawat Islami is a tahreek which has provided us a lot of things till. Now we are heartily thankful to Dawat Islami for all the things we have is our hearts. Now a person who is connected with Dawat Islami can easily feel the love and the sweetness of love to Prophet Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam. I owe a lot to Dawat Islami as it has reformed me and made me to see a path to paradise and can prepare myself for day of judgment. And I am thankful. One of such great personalities is Sheikh Tariqat, Amir Ahle Sunnat, Allama Maulana Abu Bilal Muhammad Ilyas Attar Qadri Rasvi Ziyai Damat Barakatuhum Aliyah, who launched the Madani campaign of Dawat Islami, a global and non-political for the preaching of Quran and Sunnah. And he has provided to all the students of Jamiatul Madina. May the mercy of Allah Azza wa Jalla be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake. And long better live my Murshid. Amin. Bijahi Nabil Amin sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. शुक्रिया अत्तार का शुक्रिया अत्तार का सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम.